Hello, hi everyone. I want to just kind of document this moment. It is right now, कितना बजा है? 23:52 on 1st of Feb in Vaikanze. I'm right now here near this place, walking back from from the playing hall to the hotel. And why I want to document this is because it's a very special day for Indian chess tomorrow, where Prag and Gukesh are both going to fight for the top spot at the tournament, Tata Steel Masters. And this, I would say, is something truly unbelievable. To have a tournament where you have Caruana, Nodirbek, some of the biggest names, Vei, Anish, and you have these two Indians who have played really well, scored 8.5 out of 12, and now fighting. So Gukesh will play Arjun Erigaisi and Pragnananda will play Vincent Keimer. Prag has black pieces, Gukesh has white. I would say Arjun is a more dangerous opponent than Vincent somehow, I feel, because Arjun beat Nodirbek yesterday, but then Gukesh has white against him, and Prag has always done pretty decently with Vincent. So pata nahi, matlab, I don't know what will happen. I have the feeling that it's very, very difficult to say whether both will draw. I think Gukesh will go all out somehow for the win with white. So and Arjun is very much capable of beating Gukesh, and Prag is very much capable of beating Vincent, and Gukesh is very much capable of beating Arjun, and Vincent is very much capable of beating. तो बहुत सही होगा. And in case of tie breaks, it will be superb. I just want to say this was my first ever visit to Vaikanze, and I have this feeling that it will be a very memorable one. There is this wall outside the playing hall where all the winners with their photos are put from 1938, and I see that there is Pasky, there is Tal, there is Petrosian, Kasparov, Kramnik, Karpov, Vichy, Carlsen, and then to have either Prag or Gukesh there will be very special. So let's see if that happens. There's an outside chance that Nodirbek can become the champion if both Prag and Gukesh lose and Nodirbek wins. Unlikely, for at least for as far as I think, but you never know, yeah, what will happen in chess. As of now, guys, I've reached my hotel, and I just wanted to share this small video with all of you, because I get this feeling, one day before the end of the tournament. It happened in Candidates, it happened in Isle of Man, where Vidit, Arjun, both of them had chances. Then it happened World Championship में एकदम ऐसे end तक. So I hope that tomorrow also will be a beautiful day, and may the best player win. I think both Gukesh and Prag are deserving, and whoever wins will be very, very deserving tomorrow. Also, do let me know in the comments who you think will win, because for me, seriously, it's not very clear as of now. तो आपको लगता है who will win and why will someone win? Bye.